Hello, students of class 11. Today, let's start our English study. Chapter 3 Discovery Tut. The saga continues. Tut saga means the name of this is a only heir of Tut's family, and he was being died in his teenage. Okay, this article, an article regarding mummy of Tut, took the name of a prince who became died, and he was the only heir of his royal family, and his means death, anonymous death, no one was knowing about it, was a mystery. And some archaeologists want to open the secret of his death. Okay, and he died in his last teenagers. His death has been mystery since tomb was first discovered in 1922, and means Jahi Habbas want to open the secret, want to disclose it. Means he had the first city canned in 2005. Means after a long time people want to know the scanning of the Tut's body, whatever kept like the mummy, if any one's dead body kept inside a tomb with pasting some materials, means that dead body was called as mummy. Okay, and Tut's mummy also was kept inside the tomb, but they want to search the body particles by the CT scan. What is the secret of his death? Okay, so let's start the chapter about it. Means the area was surrounded by lot of tourists nearby. The glazed wall paintings and a lot of things were there. People gathered there because they have men's feeling and excitement. Everyone was eager to know about the death of Tut saga. Okay, whatever continued. It's not be means finished that time when that an article have written. Okay. According to Jahi Habbas, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiques, the mummy was damaged by the James Carter, who had means opened it in 1922. That time he had damaged it something, and that time Carter, when found mummy, it was centered the bottom of his solid gold coffin, and it's touched on that box, means it's hardly to move to means bring it outside, it's being touched and pasted it. Okay, and that time, ancient time people's beliefs that any dead person means having the needs of his requirements after his death also. So the system of kept these useful things inside the tomb was running that time, and they had also kept there, means whatever fans, a lot of flowers, fragments, and golds, and a lot of as things whatever daily use for the royal family members, that was kept inside that tomb. Okay, and Tut's body was also become so hard due to the pasting of those, means a lot of paste pasting things that time. So an ancient life whatever running that time, that was we can see, we had seen on that tomb. Okay, mysterious of death instead of freezer, more sophisticated tools and modern metricity scan introduced that how the body means skeleton system was that time. Means archaeology now after CT scan tomb was investigated. King Tut's demise was a big event even by royal standards. Even he was royal family, belonged to royal family, but his tomb was means touched by any common persons. And if anything will be happen, that is the responsibility of archaeologists. Okay, in this way, he was the last of his family line in his funeral. was the death rattle of dynasty, but the particulars of his passing away and its aftermath and unclear. Okay, means nothing was being clear there about his death after the CT scan. But at last, Tut took the throne at very young age. Means in his young age, early age, no any specific reason of death, and no one has fighting with him also, no had killed him, then what will be reason of his death? It was become mystery. And because that time his dynasties he was the last heir, मीन्स अंतिम उत्तराधिकारी था वो अपने साम्राज्य का, इसलिए भी लोग जानना चाहते थे कि बिना विवाह के उसकी डेथ हो गई तो उस डिनेस्टी के उस साम्राज्य का विस्तार भी नहीं हो पाया था. So peoples want to like the mystery of his death. Okay. Tut's body was only the dead body, means which is scanned by CT scan, and a lot of X-ray machines have also taken X-ray, creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross sections, and after means scanning head to toe the whole body part of Toots. Then computer screens also was searching there, and peoples become so surprised the how million years, means how the 100 more than 100 years those dead body was protected as, and it's not be means damaged. And after a lot of means checkings on the computer screens, investigations, means peoples they came in the conclusion that their rib cage was missing there, that body part from. Okay. And after that, after the scanning, after the investigation, after 3 hours, means his body then again as it is they had kept into tomb, and they had means left there from there where they have taken, because it is the standard, it is the respect of those royal family. So means in this way, means computer and screen and science means become as developed peoples if want to know about the death, about the body parts of anyone after a lot's year, then they can be investigate. Means in this article writer want to express that, means due to the development of science and technology, nothing is impossible and nothing is in secret. If we got any clue, then we can means got the conclusion also. In this way the Toots means discovery of Toots saga, means their tomb, their body parts means being continue on that time, and after that means nothing going was seriously, everything went on means commonly, whole process completed properly. Okay, in this way, and it's only due to the archaeologist and the development of technology and science. Okay, that's happened. Thank you, that's all.